Hey there, welcome to Loyal Gains. If you're just starting out on your fitness journey, congratulations! You're taking the first step toward a healthier, stronger you. Today, we're diving into something every beginner needs: how to create a workout plan that's effective, fun, and tailored just for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete workout plan that you can start today. Before we jump into the plan, let's talk about why having a structured workout plan is crucial. Without a plan, you might feel lost or overwhelmed in the gym. A well-thought-out plan gives you direction, keeps you motivated, and ensures you're hitting all the right muscles to build a balanced physique. Step 1. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, improve endurance, or just feel better overall? Write down your goals. This will keep you focused and help track your progress. When I first started, my goal was to just feel more energetic. And trust me, once you see progress, it's addictive. Next, assess your current fitness level. Can you do a few push-ups? How's your endurance? Don't worry about where you're starting. What matters is that you're starting. From here, we'll build. For example, try a 10-minute walk or a few bodyweight squats. This will help you gauge your current fitness level. Now let's decide on your workout days. Consistency is key. I recommend starting with 3 to 4 days a week. You can always increase as you get stronger. For example, you could work out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. These rest days in between allow your body to recover and grow. Step 4 is all about balance. A good workout plan hits all major muscle groups. For beginners, this usually means full body workouts. For each workout, include exercises that target your chest, back, legs, arms, and core. Let me show you a simple circuit. Start with push-ups for your chest, rows for your back, squats for your legs, bicep curls for your arms, and planks for your core. Do each exercise for 10 to 12 reps and repeat the circuit 3 times. And step 5, track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to log your workouts. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Seeing your progress over time is one of the most rewarding parts of fitness. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. Warm up before every workout with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio. Cool down after your workout with some stretching. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient with yourself. The most important thing is to stay consistent and keep going, even when it gets tough. And trust me, it's worth it. That's it for today. Now you have a beginner-friendly workout plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Let's crush those goals together. See you in the next video.